Look at that boat. That's a nice boat. I like that one. It has a little shade and places for you to sit. You okay? Drink some of your water. It's such a pretty day. We are out here at Lake Anna in Spotsylvania, Virginia. It's a campground where you could camp, picnic. They have tent sites and cabins, fishing places. People are fishing out here. We're actually having a picnic, as you can see. There's people boating. There's chairs like that. A really nice, good social distancing activity. People are riding their boats. We're trying to blow bubbles, but they're really fuzzy, huh? Can we blow? They got really fuzzy. Good job. Good job trying. Now I want a boat sitting out here. Somebody had a blow-up boat, which would be a little more better for us because these people probably are parking in places. I'm not interested in parking the boat somewhere and having to pay for that. But the blow-up ones would be cool to have. Yeah. Oh, look, you got a bubble. Look at that boat. That's a nice boat. I like that one. It has a little shade and places for you to sit. Goals. Life goals. Anybody know what kind of boat that is? Look at that. That's a nice boat. You can rig canoes. They're down there, but I don't think they're open now for renting. I think you have to have your own stuff. While he's over here making bubbles. Getting bubbles on the camera. Look at the bubbles. Somebody got music blasting and everything going on. Trip, you can't go down there. Yeah, people are fishing. Maybe we'll actually buy a fishing rod and we should watch some videos on YouTube and figure out how to go fishing, huh? What do you think? We are walking some of the trails with my stroller. We'll see how far I can get. This is a pretty tough stroller, so we'll see. But I came across this right here. I'm gonna put the camera on so y'all can. It is a fit station, I guess, or a fit trail. So they have those pull-up bars, which is pretty cool, I guess. If you're walking the trails, you come over here, do a couple pull-ups, and keep it moving. There's people fishing off down there, but it's very cool. It's very sunny. We were just over there. I showed you some clips earlier of us watching the boats. We had a picnic. But yeah, it's a cool trail. It's not super stroller friendly. Okay, so my stroller will not fit down that bridge right there. You guys see that? So the stroller may not fit. We're just gonna drive around the state park and look around a little bit. And then I'm gonna head back to the house and I'm gonna pull the pool out and I'm gonna let him splash in the water because the beach part here was closed. I thought the beach was open, but it's actually closed here, so we can't go to the beach. But we had a really good time. Did you have fun? Yeah. You only got in trouble like 2 or 3 times. Only about 5 or 6 tantrums. Yeah. Oh, and I saw people blow up boats. I want a blow up boat now. Yeah. Mommy wants a blow up boat so we can go in the water and paddle on. Let's see. There's the park exit, boating launch, beach exit. Let's see what's down here. Boating launch. Trailer parking, visitor picnic parking. There's another picnic area. So there's looks like almost like a beach down there. They have it closed and blocked off, so you're not supposed to walk down there onto the beach. There's a little walking path there. We're not going to go down there right now because it's getting kind of hot. We're pretty much done with the day. But I wanted to come down here and just kind of look. There's porta potties there, and then there's like bathrooms and stuff, but those are closed. And there's play areas, like a train right there. There's a bathroom there, but I think the bathroom's closed, and the visitor center is back there. But this looks like a nice place for kids and adults to hang out. Day at the pool. Yeah. Cam got bathed. He's not too happy about that. Now we're here. Splash in the water. Trip. Splash, 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 splash. Splash, 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 splash. Come splash, splash, splash. Yay! Splash, splash, splash! Yay!